Welcome to the cutting edge of software development, where AI tools are not just assistants, but game changers in coding. As technology evolves, AI is stepping in, automating routine coding tasks and revolutionizing how developers work. Let's dive into how AI impacts our coding environment. We've talked to several developers who use these AI tools daily. They've noticed significant reductions in coding time and errors, allowing them to focus on creative solutions and complex problems. For instance, AI-assisted programming can suggest optimal code, detect anomalies, and even optimize existing algorithms, vastly improving efficiency and accuracy. As one developer mentioned, AI doesn't just code, it thinks alongside you. This collaboration between human creativity and artificial intelligence is paving the way for more innovative and effective software solutions. So, what does the future hold for AI in software development? It looks like the sky's the limit.